Okay, so the general information section is broken up into four basic sections. You've got general info, categories, SMTP, and logos. It's also got, at the header here, it's got some summary stats so you can get quick access to the number of contacts that you've got engaged with your business, and it shows you some of your metrics in here as well. But the general info section here is essentially where you'll set up your organization's basic information. So the name of your business, you want to include some kind of a description, and then your address and contact information. Then you've got a category section, and this is where you'll select the categories that are relevant to your business. Now if you're in here and you notice that the category that is relevant to your business isn't listed, just contact us and we'll add those categories for you and subcategories so that you can make sure that your business is properly listed. And then the SMTP information. So we have an email platform as well that you can use to communicate with engaged users and users who have included their email addresses in their app profiles. You'll be able to communicate with through the email service here. Now what we do is we allow you to link up your internet service provider SMTP settings or your Gmail or Yahoo or Hotmail SMTP settings, and you can just basically set that information in this section with your username and password and update it, and then anything that you try to send out in the messaging section through email services or any emails that you send will be delivered as if they were delivered by you personally. So that's why we did it that way. It allows you to deliver email through your own email service, whether you're using Constant Contact or whether you're using your internet service provider SMTP services, or whether you're using a free email account like Hotmail and Gmail. I'll go ahead and do that very quickly for a Gmail account so that you can kind of see the way it works. So as you can see, I've gone ahead and entered some generic Gmail SMTP settings. Now the Gmail SMTP server is always going to be what you see here listed. Typically the SMTP server port is 465 for Gmail, and then your email address is your username, and then whatever your password is for the account, you would then update it, and you would then be sending as though it were coming from your Gmail account. Okay, every internet service provider is going to have a different SMTP settings, and you'll need to contact, if you don't know what they are, you may need to contact your internet service provider and get that information from them. Finally, the logos section. Now you can see that there are a number of different recommended sizes that we suggest that you put in, and we've allowed for those different sizes to be placed. And the reason for that is different images will appear differently in different types of devices. Okay, so there are some images that are going to be displayed better on Android MDPI. That's a 55 by 55 pixel PNG image, and then you've got the the various sizes that are recommended that you upload. Now if you take your generic logo and you upload it for every single one of these, the system will allow you to do that. It just may, if your logo is 110 by 110 pixels, it may look a little stretched out and distorted in a device that's making use of the larger size images. So it's recommended that you convert to the different sizes and upload each appropriately. However, it's not going to kill you if you do not do that. So I'm going to go ahead and upload a logo in each one of these locations so that we've got something in there as well. So I just wanted to show you that the upload process is pretty simple. Just go through and upload each one as you need to. I've got a few different sizes here that I'm going to upload. And you can see it's populating each one as I do it. Okay, so I've got all the logos uploaded. You can see that a couple of these look a little distorted because I didn't create the exact size that it's asking for there or recommending, but it's not too bad. So I'll go ahead and update that. And business profile successfully updated. So once again, you've got your general information or business description, your categories, your SMTP info so that the email system will send when you want to use it, and then your logo section.